Hi guys, one more thing, missing figures. So you realize that when you did your IXL last week, you have them giving you volume and wanting you to solve for radius. And we're going to do the same thing here with spheres. We're taking a sphere that has a volume. They're giving us the volume of 72 meters cubed, and they want you to find the radius. All right, you're going to use the formula. Volume equals the right formula, Miss Miller. 4/3 times 3.14 times r cubed. All right, we don't know what our radius is, but we do know what our volume is. So we're going to fill that in. Okay? Now we have to do the same thing, right? When we're solving an equation, sometimes we do this. We know that we need to solve for whatever variable it is. In this case, it's the radius is the variable, so we need to get these two figures over on this side so we can say r equals. Okay? So don't forget that this is a multiplication problem. So to do the opposite and get these guys over on the left side here with the 72, we're going to have to do the opposite. So with a fraction, we need to move that fraction. And what we need to do is multiply it by the opposite. And the opposite of 4/3 is 3/4. So by 3/4 on this side, and then you have to do it to this side as well. So you're multiplying this by 3/4 and this by 3/4. Okay? These are going to cancel. And you're going to multiply this. Always put this big number over a 1. 3 times 72. Calculators, 3 times 72, guys. You got to put your calculator on first. That's a tip from a math teacher. 72 times 3. Okay, 72 times 3 is 216. 4 times 1 is 4. So now we divide 216 by 4, and we get 54. All right? Now, all of this goes away. All of this goes away. Let's rewrite our problem. And let's rewrite it over here. 54 equals 3.14 times r cubed. All right, now we need to move the 3.14. It's a multiplication problem. So now we're going to divide by 3.14. Divide by 3.14. This is going to cancel. We're dividing 54 by 3.14, and we get 17.197 equals r cubed. Now we need to solve for r. Guys, instead of taking the square root, we're going to take the cube root. So we're going to take the cube root on this side. Same thing as the square root, but it's with a 3. And we're going to take the cube root on this side. And we end up with just r on this side And r equals 54.5. Your radius is 54.5.